Question number 1. Which position is best for a patient with dyspnea? Correct option is C. High Fowler's position. Question number 2. Which injection route has the fastest absorption? Correct option is D. Intravenous. Question number 3. Which cranial nerve is responsible for smell? Correct option is A. Cranial nerve first. Question number 4. What is the first priority in emergency care? Correct option is C. Airway. Question number 5. Which condition causes blue discoloration of skin? Correct option is B. Cyanosis. Question number 6. What must be checked before giving digoxin? Correct option is B. Pulse. Question number 7. What is the main purpose of hand hygiene in nursing? Correct option is D. Infection prevention. Question number 8. Which is an example of a primary prevention activity? Correct option is B. Vaccination. Question number 9. Which organ is primarily affected in hepatitis? Correct option is B. Liver. Question number 10. Sweating and tremors are sign of which condition? Correct option is A. Hypoglycemia. Question number 11. Rickets is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 12. What is the primary purpose of patient identification in hospital? Correct option is A. Safety. Question number 13. Which patient is at highest risk of pressure ulcers? Correct option is D. Elderly immobile patient. Question number 14. Which scale is used to assess risk of pressure ulcer? Correct option is A. Braden scale. Question number 15. Which position is preferred for nasogastric tube insertion? Correct option is B. Fowler's position. Question number 16. Which insulin type acts fastest after injection? Correct option is C. Rapid insulin. Question number 17. Which drug slow heart rates in tachycardia? Correct option is D. Beta blocker. Question number 18. Which is common side effect of opioids? Correct option is A. Constipation. Question number 19. Which electrolyte imbalance can cause arrhythmias? Correct option is B. Potassium. Question number 20. What is considered a high priority post-operative complication? Correct option is C. Infection. Question number 21. Hypoglycemia can cause which symptom? Correct option is A. Sweating. Question number 22. Apgar score assess which of the following? Correct option is B. Newborns. Question number 23. Which patient needs frequent vital sign monitoring? Correct option is A. Asthmatic patient. Question number 24. Which scale is used to elevate fall risk? Correct option is B. Morse scales. Question number 25. Which drug is first choice for anaphylactic shock? Correct option is D. Epinephrine. Question number 26. Which drug class is anti-inflammatory? Correct option is A. Non-steroid and anti-inflammatory drugs. Question number 27. Which antidote treats acetaminophen toxicity? Correct option is C. N-acetylcysteine. Question number 28. Which factor most increase risk of pressure ulcers development? Correct option is C. Mobility. Question number 29. Which drug lowers blood glucose effectively in diabetes? Correct option is A. Insulin. Question number 30. Which drug act is a bronchodilator for asthma patient? Correct option is D. Salbutamol. Question number 31. Which medication is used as an anticoagulant in cardiac patient? Correct option is B. Warfarin. Question number 32. Which vitamin deficiency can lead to bleeding disorders? Correct option is C. Vitamin K. Question number 33. Which vaccine is given at birth? Correct option is B. BCG vaccine. Question number 34. The normal adult urine output for hours is about. Correct option is C. 30 milliliter. Question number 35. Which scale is used to assess pressure ulcer risk? Correct option is A. Verden scale. Question number 36. Which nursing process step involves identifying patient problems? Correct option is C. Assessment. Question number 37. Which patient is at highest risk for aspiration during feeding? Correct option is the unconscious patient. Question number 38. Which is considered objective data during patient assessment? Correct option is D. Temperature. Question number 39. Which route ensure fastest drug absorption in emergency? Correct option is A. IV route. Question number 40. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle cramps? Correct option is B. Hypocalcemia. Question number 41. Which disease is caused by iodine deficiency? Correct option is a goiter. Question number 42. What is the best site for MI injection in implant? Correct option is D. Vestis lateralis. Question number 43. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Correct option is A. Vitamin A. Question number 44. Which electrolyte imbalance causes arrhythmia most commonly? Correct option is C. Potassium. Question number 45. Which disease causes blue baby syndrome? Correct option is D. Tetralogy of folate. Question number 46. Why is corticosteroid given in preterm labor? Correct option is B. To mature fetal lungs. Question number 47. What is the most common cause of shock? Correct option is D. Hemorrhage. Question number 48. Which condition causes stifle sign on X-ray? Correct option is B. Croup. Question number 49. What is the normal hematocrit in males? Correct option is G. 40 to 45, 55%. Question number 50. Which condition causes butterfly pattern on chest X-ray? Correct option is D. Pulmonary edema. Question number 51. How is magnesium sulfate toxicity monitored by? Correct option is D. Through respiratory rate. Question number 52. What is the common cause of macrocytic anemia? Correct option is B. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Question number 53. Which condition causes sunset sign in impants? Correct option is a hydrocephalus. Question number 54. Which infection spread by fecal oral route? Correct option is D. Hepatitis A. Question number 55. Which condition shows moon phase in buffalo hoops? Correct option is B. Caution syndrome. Question number 56. Which stage of pressure ulcer involves muscle exposure? Correct option is D. Stage 4. Question number 57. Which disease is caused by Clostridium botulinum? Correct option is C. Botulism. Question number 58. Which infection causes Koplik spots? Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 69. Which stage of shock shows lactic acid acidosis? Correct option is C. Progressive. Question number 60. What is the normal ejection fraction of the heart? Correct option is D. 55 to 70%. Question number 61. What is the first sign of compartment syndrome? Correct option is A. Fan. Question number 62. Which of the following condition causes clumsy skin? Correct option is B. Shock. Question number 63. Which nerve is damaged in wrist drop? Correct option is B. Radial nerve. Question number 64. Why is lidocaine given in intraventricular arrhythmia? Correct option is D. Stabilize myocardium. Question number 65. Which stage of labor is most painful? Correct option is A. First trimester. Question number 66. Why is sucking avoided frequently in neonates? Correct option is D. Risk of hypoxia. Question number 67. What is the normal newborn head circumference? Correct option is C. 35 to 33 centimeter. Question number 68. Which of the following condition causes hematuria? Correct option is A. UTI. Question number 69. Which infection causes rose spots? Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 70. Which sound indicates fluid in the lungs? Correct option is C. Crackle sound. Question number 671. When does maximum petal movement occur? Correct option is A. 20th week. Question number 72. Where does fertilization normally occur? Correct option is C. Fallopian tube. Question number 73. What is the normal range of serum potassium? Correct option is B. 3.5 to 5 milliequal per liter. Question number 74. Which ECG waves represent arterial defolarization? Correct option is A. P wave. Question number 75. What is the normal hemoglobin level in females? Correct option is C. 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Question number 76. Which vitamin is needed for calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. When does quickening occur in pregnancy? Correct option is D. 16 to 20th weeks. Question number 78. What is the normal platelets lifespan? Correct option is B. 7 to 10 days. Question number 79. Which infection causes spots. Correct option is B. Measles. Question number 80. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct option is C. Vitamin C. Question number 81. Which drug is used to prevent postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Oxytocin. Question number 82. Which condition causes chest pain due to myocardial ischemia? Correct option is D. Angina pectoris. Question number 83. Which bacteria commonly causes urinary tract infection? Correct option is B. E. coli. Question number 84. Which side is preferred for intramuscular injection in adults? Correct option is D. Ventrogluteal. Question number 85. Which position improves breathing in respiratory distress? Correct option is A. Fowler's position. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. Fat. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cell are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which instrument is used to measure oxygen saturation? Correct option is B. Pulse oximeter. Question number 92. Which term describe difficult breathing while laying flat? Correct option is A. Arthropnea. Question number 92. Which position is best for unconscious patients? Correct option is D. Lateral position. Question number 93. Which instrument is used to monitor fetal heart rate? Correct option is B. Petoscope. Question number 94. Which of the following disease causes Koplik spots? Correct option is C. Measles. Question number 95. Which term refers to deficiency of oxygen in tissues? Correct option is A. Hypoxia. Question number 96. Which test measures blood sugar level? Correct option is A. RBS test. Question number 97. Which disease causes thyroid gland swelling? Correct option is B. Mumps. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.